Hey guys, how's it going? Prodigy Kid here. Um, what we're gonna do right now, let me explain the problem to you guys. This is a 2004 Ford Freestar, okay? And we've been having a problem with the headlight. Um, the passenger headlight turns on right, okay? It's bright and everything is normal, but the driver's side headlight, it's real dim. Okay, so it's not bright as the passenger side headlight. So what we're gonna do is replacing the switch. Okay, the headlight switch and the dimmer on the dashboard. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. The way we're gonna do it is the easiest way. So you guys have an idea of how to do it quick, safe, and um, easy. Okay, you want to get safety glasses from there. Um, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in a flathead screwdriver through here, and then we're gonna pry it out. Okay, then we're gonna do the same with the bottom side of the switch. Okay, and this is what we got to replace. Okay, this is a OEM part. This van is a 2004. We got this part from a 2007 Ford Freestar, same but newer. So let's get to it. So as I told you, I'm gonna pry it out. They pry it and turn the screwdriver. Turn it like this. Okay, good. Do it from the side, from right here. You can do it with the screwdriver. Other side, pry it, other side. Like, no, like this. Like that, and then like that, all the way. Yes, good job. Now what you're gonna do is press hard and pull out. Okay, let me press it and pull it, because this is real hard. Okay, now hold it. Hold the part, just the part, and then pull it. See? You gotta press this tab and then pull it out from the switch. Okay, now do this one. The other one, this one. This one is the one that you need to. Can pull it out. Yep. Now put your other part. Good job. Okay. Okay. Tap it with your hand. Good job. Bottom part. Other. That one too. Tap it with your hand. Good job. See? Now it looks newer. It looks better. And now what we're gonna do is test it to see if that was the problem. So if it still doesn't work, we're gonna have to try to look for other options to see if we can fix this thing. Start it. As soon as it starts, you release the key. Okay. Start it. Start the car. No, just start it with the key. Turn it all the way, and then release it when it starts. Do it hard. It's not?
No.
Okay, let me see. Start it. Okay. So now, have the feeling that that's not the problem, but yeah. Let me show you guys the other side, and I don't know what problem is. See how that one is? Okay, light is good and everything. See, and the blink lights and quarters. But this side, I don't know what's wrong with it. It might even be the light. I mean, see, like the whole thing is like kind of dim. So, but we'll see. We're gonna look for more options. Okay. So the whole thing is dim. Okay. The headlight, quarter, and the blinker lights dim. So I'm gonna go show you guys again. Look at this. See? It's not as dim as film, but we'll see. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys all that. But thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment, a like, other advice, tip, anything. We would appreciate it. Thank you. You guys have a good day.